When it comes to rapping, there's so much emphasis put on getting on beat, which is the first thing that every rapper should learn to do. But once you learn how to get on beat, you need to take it to the next level and learn how to get off beat in a dope and musical way. And I'm about to show you several ways that you can do that. First off, you need to realize that each beat has beats within it. For an example, you can divide a beat in half, which gives an additional place to land within the beat. These are known as eighth notes. Or you could divide a beat within 4 even sections, which gives you 3 additional places you could land within the beat. And these are known as 16th notes. Or we could go even one more step further and divide each of these 16th notes in half, which gives us a total of 7 more places that we can land within each beat, and these are known as 32nd notes. Now, let's put this knowledge to work and start rapping off beat in a dope and musical way. And for all of my demonstrations today, I'm going to be using a beat that I produced called Midnight Drive. If you like this beat, I'll post a link in the video's description below where you can get it. The first method I'm going to share with you is dodging the snares. So within each bar, typically snares will land on the 2nd and 4th beat, and I'm about to dodge them. In this example, I'm landing on the 1st and 3rd beat, but I paused on the 2nd and 4th beats. I also played around with the length of these pauses as well to make the 2nd bar feel a little more aggressive by reducing the length of my pause by filling it in more with 2 32nd notes. Let's check it out. Rapper lamb no, poppin' the copper lamb day. Be the reaper dapper so, be the pop of the rapper lamb day. Okay, now let's build upon that. I just dodged 2 beats. Now I'm about to dodge all the beats. In this example, I'll pause for the first half of each beat and fill in the second half of the beat with triplet eighth notes. A triplet note is when you take a standard rhythmic music note, like in this case an eighth note, and divide it into 3 even pieces, which are called triplets. Here's a demonstration of me turning my eighth notes into triplet eighth notes to give it that modern trap sound. Ba, 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 ba. 100 back, to the go, treat it pack, on a roll, to the cat, on the soul, on the rack, hit it go. Now let's take it even just a little bit further and take advantage of the extra space I still have remaining within the beginning of each beat by adding a single triplet eighth note to the beginning of the last cadence that I just used. Let's check that out. I'm bleeping it, I'm blapping it, I'm souping it, I'm grabbing it, I'm lapping it, I'm sapping it, I'm drooping it, I'm plopping it. Now, a third way that we can get off beat in a musical way is using something known as swing. And all swing is when we land just a little bit either after the beat or just a little bit before the beat. And in today's example, I'm going to be landing just a little bit after the beat. And this is what we would call a late swing. And in this example, I'm going to dodge all the beats again, but this time I'm going to be using 2 different methods to do so. The first method is the same one that I've already demonstrated, where I simply pause on a beat and then come in 1 of the 16th notes after it. And in this example, I use this exact move on the 1st and the 3rd beat. Then on the 2nd and 4th beats, which are where the snares are, I place the note before each beat and then I hold it until I hit the beat, and then I place a note slightly after the beat, which makes it feel more lazy and chill and relaxed. I pon the Mac in, floats in your tashin'. I pon the crack on the sass in your tackin'. And if you're having trouble hearing the swing that I added on the snares, here's an example first without the swing and then with the swing. Pay attention. Without the swing, my syllables will land directly on the snares, which is the 2nd and the 4th beat. Once the swing is applied, you'll notice my syllables landing slightly after the snares. Let's check that out. I flown the Mac in, floats in your tashin'. I pon the crack on the sass in your tackin'. I pon the Mac in, floats in your tashin'. I pon the crack on the sass in your tackin'. The main takeaway here is this. You don't have to land on every single beat within every bar for your rap flow to sound dope. Think of every single beat as having 4 different beats within it that you can land on, and these are called 16th notes. And 16th notes are the most common rhythmic music notes that rappers use. So don't limit yourself to always feeling like you have to land on all the beats. Dodge some of them beats, add some swing to some of them beats, have some fun with it. And if you're wanting to dig even deeper into taking your rap flow to the next level, stay tuned on this channel because next week I'm going to be dropping a very special announcement. My name is Cole Mize with ColeMizeStudios.com, where I strive to make you a better rapper now. And if you're trying to perfect your rap skills, make sure that you get yourself a free copy of my ebook, The #1 Fundamental to Rapping, via the link in the video's description below. And subscribe to this channel for more straight to the point, no BS, how to rap video tutorials just like this one. And always remember, when it comes to rapping, there's no rules, there's only techniques. Peace. Hey man, you see that subscribe button right there? Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Oh, and don't forget the bell icon. Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Hey, I know you see that like button, right? Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. And look at yourself in the mirror and tell yourself, today I'm gonna kill it.